The hunting knife. A steadfast companion in the wilderness. Its sharp blade, durable design, and ergonomic handle make it an essential tool for outdoor pursuits, from dressing game to survival tasks. There are many products available to choose hunting knife, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best hunting knife from reputable brands. After much study, I discovered these products are a lot helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Mossy Oak Hunting Field Dressing Kit. Discover the ultimate outdoorsman's treasure trove in 8-piece big game field dressing kit, a versatile ensemble perfect for adventurers and hunters. This meticulously crafted set comes in a durable box, comprising specialized tools designed for precision and efficiency in game dressing. At its core, an impressive 8.7 wood and bone saw with a unique blunt hook tip promises to safeguard meat integrity during dressing. Its serrations and T-handle ensures swift and effective use without compromising on accuracy or safety, weighing a mere 4.1 oz. Complementing this, the 7.5 capping knife with a 3.4 blade offers finesse for smaller game, boasting a finer point and scaled-down design at 2.8 ounces. Meanwhile, the 9.4 gut hook skinner, featuring a 3.9 blade with a specialized gut hook, promises swift and precise game processing at 6.3 ounces. Crafted from robust stainless steel with camouflage handles, each tool in this kit ensures durability and longevity for extensive outdoor use. Whether it's Christmas, birthdays, anniversaries, or special occasions like Valentine's Day, this comprehensive kit stands as an ideal gift for the avid hunter or adventurer in your life. Number 2. Mossy Oak Fixed Blade Hunting Knife Set. Introducing a versatile and robust duo, a straight-edge hunting knife and a gut hook knife designed for the outdoors enthusiast. The straight-edge hunting knife boasts an impressive overall length of 10 3/8 inches, with a 5 1/8 inch blade, while the gut hook knife measures 9 3/8 inches in total, sporting a 4 1/4 inch blade. Crafted from premium steel, these black razor-sharp fixed blades offer superior hardness, exceptional edge retention, toughness, and resistance to corrosion, ensuring reliability in diverse outdoor conditions. The handles of these knives feature a full-tang design with a distinctive green camo pattern, not just stylish, but also adept at blending into outdoor environments. The ergonomic handle grooves provide a comfortable, non-slip grip, enhancing balance and control during use. Additionally, the inclusion of a lanyard hole facilitates easier carry for your convenience. Both knives come accompanied by a heavy-duty nylon sheath in sleek black, designed for easy and secure dual-carry functionality. The sheath features a button snap and belt loop, ensuring quick access to your blades whenever needed, making them ideal companions for hunting, survival, tactical, industrial, and military applications. Whether you're navigating the wild, this set stands ready to be your trusted companion. Number 3. Mossy Oak 14-inch Bowie Knife. Presenting a formidable 14-inch knife designed for versatility and durability in various outdoor scenarios. Its 8.5-inch razor-sharp blade, forged from 3CR13 steel, offers exceptional strength, edge retention, and corrosion resistance, making it ideal for piercing, detail work, and precise cuts in confined spaces. The classic design features a full-tang rosewood handle, providing a comfortable grip and optimal balance, accentuated by a brass pommel guard for added stability during use. This handle ensures a secure, non-slip grip even in challenging conditions. For safe and convenient carry, the knife comes with a genuine leather sheath equipped with a snap fastener and an integrated belt loop, ensuring easy access while securely protecting the blade. While perfect for military, hunting, survival, tactical, and industrial applications, it's important to note that this knife isn't recommended for chopping or toning. With its blend of functionality and enduring craftsmanship, this knife stands as a reliable companion for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 4. Mossy Oak 4PC Fishing Toolkit. Introducing a comprehensive set tailored for anglers, comprising specialized tools to enhance fishing experiences. The 45 degrees pistol grip fishing pliers offer multi-purpose functionality, featuring a split ring head, hook remover, wire strippers, crimper, and wire cutter. With 3 crimping slots designed for various lead types, these pliers swiftly handle tasks from hook removal to cutting fishing lines with precision. Accompanying this is a fillet knife, 10.5 inches in length, perfect for detailed precision cutting and scaling. The super thin, serrated blade ensures effortless meat removal without waste, while the ergonomic handle with a non-slip groove guarantees ultimate control and finger protection. The plastic sheath, complete with a 2-inch knife sharpener and belt clip, ensures safe storage and easy access. Additionally, the trigger pull fish gripper, 7.5 inches long, boasts stainless steel durability, a rubberized grip, and an adjustable wrist strap for security and ease of use. Number 5. Mossy Oak Multi-Tool. Introducing comprehensive fishing tools tailored for anglers, ensuring versatility and convenience. The 45 degrees pistol grip fishing pliers are a multitasking marvel, equipped with a split ring head, hook remover, wire strippers, crimper, and wire cutter, adept at handling nylon, carbon, or iron wires. Designed for quick hook removal or replacement, these pliers feature carbide cutters for precise line cutting, while the spring non-slip grip ensures steady handling. Accompanying this is a 10.5-inch fillet knife with a super-thin, serrated blade for precise meat removal without loss. Its ergonomic handle guarantees a non-slip grip and ultimate knife control, enhanced by a lanyard hull in the sheath with a 2-inch sharpener and belt clip for safe storage and easy access. Completing the set, the folding line snip and fly fishing retractor offer precise cutting and convenient line management in a compact pocket-sized design. This comprehensive toolkit ensures anglers have the precision, reliability, and ease they need for an exceptional fishing experience. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want greater information or in case you need to realize product price, do check out my description. For any type of hassle, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.